Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add beauty effect in Capcut. So here I have a photo with a person with a pimple on it, on the face, with a pimple face. So I'm going to use a beautify feature in Capcut. So what you need to do here is click on the photo, swipe on the menu and click on retouch, then choose face. So in here I'm going to, for example, click on smooth. I'm going to make the skin smoother, so swipe to the right to adjust the intensity of the smooth. I'm going to go with 100. You can see the pimple is now not really visible, so here I'm going to select brighten and I'm going to go with 100. You can see now the pimple is not really visible. So here you can also add some makeup to complete the look. So for example, I'm going to use the free freckles to cover the pimple or acne. I'm going to go with 100, and that's it. This is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.